Okay, guys, so yay! You guys are pretty much nearly done with your review. I'm so proud of you. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is now look at this, okay? When you're given a square root, I would recommend for you to convert it into its decimal value. Okay? If you can find the decimal value of this number and then find the decimal values of these numbers, then here's that equivalent word again. That means the value I get here should be equivalent, the same as one of these answer choices. So I would use my calculator for this. And maybe you don't know how to put a square root, and that's totally fine. I'm going to show you how to do that here. There are two ways to do this. You could do control. See, this yellow button taps into the yellow commands up here. So where it says x squared, there's a little square root at the top. Now, if you don't want to do it that way, you can always go to the handy dandy tool button I always choose right here. I love this button because everything's there. Here's a square root. And then if you want to do a different type of rootage, like a rooting that's other than the square root, you can use this one. But I would just stick to that one. Okay, so I'm going to use this. And then I'm going to put 147, enter, and I get 12.1244. 12.1244. Okay. This value has to be exact to one of these answer choices. So now I'm going to do 3 times the square root of 7. 3 times the square root of 7. I'll press enter, and I get a value of 7.93. 7.93. Okay, now I'm going to do 7 times the square root of 3. I think I found it. Yes, I like when the answers are either A or B because then it makes me not work too hard. 7 times square root of 3. I noticed that it's exactly the same value as my original. 12.1244. Okay, I'm going to try this next one. I'm going to do 21 times the square root of 7. Nope, not it. I get 55.56. Not exact. I'm looking for the exact one. Right? Now I'm going to do the last. I'm just checking everything just in case because I want to do awesome on my exam. Nope. This one is 84.87. So as you guys can see here, the answer was B because this was equivalent to this.